Hey guys, what's up? The best channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, here's what we got from that package. Just opened it up. Ooh, it's a Ridley's coach. So yeah, here's the first one. It is of a Ridley's coach. So, and obviously it is a Paxton Panther. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back, and obviously there's another Ridley's coach right there. Can't see the number plate, but the one that's been taken a photo of is YX16 NXJ. Might have seen that one before, don't know. So yeah, here's my first photo of the day. So pop that there. Moving on. We have the package. See if I can open it. Haha, there's a hole. Simple. Come on. Jeez, this is hard to open. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Just what I needed. Oh, I know what this is. I bet you it's Johnson's photo. No more in there. And yes, I was right, it is a Johnson. So yeah, here is the Johnson's photo, and that is of YX08 AOK. That bus is AOK. So yeah, here's the Johnson's photo. Obviously there is some more of them on his eBay account, which I'll probably have to buy. And yeah, this is the first one. And yes, it is a minibus, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, I do believe. Don't know what type though. So yeah, here's the front, here's the back. So now, let's get the thumbnail. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.